Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. With the weather warming up and the ice melting, getting a nail in your tire has pretty much become a regular thing when driving in Calgary. That's why in Alberta, these tools are absolute must-haves. They let you fix a flat on the spot. No need to take the tire off. Today I'll show you a key survival skill for Alberta: quick tire repair. As you can see, these two tools are essentials. I highly recommend every car owner keep them in their car just in case. Here's how it works. Pull out the nail. Apply some lubricant to the plug and insert it into the hole.
把辣椒给它怼进去。
Trim off the excess. Pump the tire back up, and you're good to go. The whole process takes just 2 minutes. Quick and easy, no need to remove the tire. If you drive in Alberta, this is a skill you definitely want to have. It could save you from a tough spot, especially in extreme weather. That's it for this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, save, share, and drop a comment. See you in the next one. Bye.